Students, we were doing chapter 1 number system. Okay, in our last class we have done till question number 30. Okay, we were doing the topic representing rational number in the form of P by Q. Now let's start question number 31. Students, open your question booklet and see question number 31. What it is? Express 0.428 bar in the form of P by Q. What you have to do? You have to express 0.428 bar in the form of P by Q. Okay, so let's start the procedure. What we have to do first? First we have to write it as x is equal to 0.42. Now see this thing that if the bar is on 8, then only 8 will repeat. Not 4 to 8, 4 to 8 not. Okay? Only the digit on which there is a bar will repeat. So it will be 0.42888 and so on. Is it clear, students? The number on which there is a bar, only that digit will repeat. Now the bar is also on only one digit. So we will again multiply it by 10 on both sides. Okay, what will happen here? The decimal will shift with 1 point. Okay, and your number will become 4.2888. Is it clear, students? Now what we have to do? We have to split it into two terms. I have told you, do it in rough work. You have to subtract this minus this. 0.4288. What will come? What it is coming? 3.86. Okay, what it is coming? This plus this we will write. So here we will do 10x is equal to 3.86 plus 0.42888. Okay. Now 4.2888 was 0.42888 was x. So we will put here in place of this we will put x. This is also same. Now what we will do? X will shift on LHS. Now 9x is equal to 3.86. Clear? Now x will be 3.86 upon 9. Now we will remove the decimal. Okay, two digits will come down, 2 zeros. If it is cancelled, then you have to bring it in the lowest terms. Okay, but it is not cancelling. So what will be your answer? This only. Your answer is x is equal to 386 upon 900. Okay, students, this is your answer. You have converted 0.428 bar in the form of P by Q. Now pause the video and note it down. Students, it will cancel by 2. We can cancel it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10 and 0. So your final answer will be x is equal to 193 upon 450. Okay, you have to bring it in the lowest term. Okay, complete it. Now students, question 32. See the question number 32. It is same as question 31 that we have solved. So this will be your homework. Question number 32. Only the digits are changed. Rest it is same as question 31. You have to solve it. We will discuss the answer in our live class. Now let's see question number 33. Okay. See question number 33. You have to express 0.27 bar in the form of P by Q. Okay, students, we have done many questions in which the bar was only on one digit. Now we have moved to the second variety in which the bar is on 2 digits. So let's start solving. What we will do, the method will be same. x is equal to 0.2727 dash dash dash. Why? Because both 2, 7 are repeating again and again. Now since I have told you the bar is on 2 digits, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 100. Okay, when the bar was on 1 digit, we were multiplying it by 10. Now it is on 2 digits, so we will multiply it by 100. By multiplying this by 100, the decimal will shift by 2. Okay, so what will it become? 27.2727 and so on. Now we have to split it into 2 parts. For this we have to subtract this from this. What we will get, students? 27 plus 0.2727. So we will write here 27 plus 0.2727 and so on. But 0.2727 was x. So what we will write here, 100x is equal to 27 plus x. Now x will come on LHS. Here it will be 99x is your 27. Your x will become 27 upon 99. It will be cancelled by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So your final answer will be x equal to 3 by 11. So you have converted 0.27 bar in the form of P by Q. Understood, students? This question is on which the 2 digits have a bar. Here we have to multiply it by 100. Okay, keep in mind this point. Okay, students make mistake here only. If the bar is on 2 digits, you have to multiply it by 100. Clear? Note it down in your copy. Question number 33. Now students, question number 34 to question number 37 are same of bar on 2 numbers. Okay, question number 34 to question number 37. Okay, these are same as question number 33. I have told you that you have to practice many questions so that the method sticks on your mind. You will never forget it. Okay, so keep on practicing. We will discuss this in our live class. Okay students, so question number 32 and from 34 to 37 will be your homework questions. You have to solve it by your own now only. If you have any doubt, we will discuss it in our live class. Okay, and you will tell me the answer. I will check it.